Hey there, drone lovers. Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest drone reviews and amazing deals. Today, we've got something really special for you, the L900 Pro SE Max GPS drone Profesional with a powerful 4K HD camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV. This is the ultimate quadcopter with brushless motor, perfect for all drone enthusiasts and children alike. Let's talk about the incredible features of the L900 Pro SE Max. Firstly, this drone comes with a 4K resolution camera, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial footage and crystal clear photos. The obstacle avoidance feature ensures a smooth and safe flight experience, making it perfect for beginners and experienced flyers alike. The brushless motor and 25W motor power guarantee a stable and powerful performance, while the 1200 control distance and 25 minutes of flight time take your drone adventures to new heights. The adjustable angle camera, GPS intelligent follow, and gesture shooting recognition make it incredibly easy to capture stunning images and videos. But wait, there's more. The L900 Pro SE Max also features a 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, allowing you to navigate through any terrain with ease. The 7.4V smart lithium battery ensures long-lasting flight time, while the foldable design makes it convenient to carry and transport wherever you go. So why wait? Get your hands on the L900 Pro SE Max GPS drone Profesional with 4K HD camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV today and take your drone flying experience to the next level. Check out the link in the description to find out more and make your purchase. Trust us, you won't regret it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments below what you think of the L900 Pro SE Max. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.